Welcome back everyone. Well, I like what I'm seeing so far, and I know Reen has prepped with some ingredients over here. So here are the clues. So what are we making?
Today we're going to make some choc chip cookies.
Yum!
So we're using the manjari from Valrhona, and we're using a little bit of Tasman sea salt in there as well. So these cookies can either be standalone, you can have them any old time whenever you're feeling snackish, or you could use them as an inclusion for the fior di latte, which we'll also show you how to do. So let's come on over and we'll get mixing.
Okay, Reen, tell us what we've got here.
We've got a bit of plain flour, some unsalted butter, some of the manjari chocolate, brown sugar, caster sugar, whole eggs, and we've got a bit of baking powder and some of the Tasman sea salt. So we'll get mixing.
And my pretty pink KitchenAid.
Nation will rise up, live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, sons of former slaves and the sons of former slaves, will they be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood? I have a dream. One day.
So is the cookie dough ready now?
Certainly is. Now you can cut up this chocolate calays if you want, or they do break up a little bit in the mixer. It's entirely up to you. I prefer bigger pieces. Just personal preference, that's all.
I never realised how easy it is actually to make these recipes. I've always been that person who bought cookies, never made them myself.
No, there's no need. They're so quick and easy to do, and the recipe is very versatile. You can really swap any of the sugars for other sugars. Don't have to put chocolate in, you can put nuts in. It's really up to you. So let's pop this out onto the Glad wrap.
Oh, you can see me in the bowl. Hello. Well, look at that.
So we've got our log. All we gotta do is just shape it.
Ta-da! And now we put it in the fridge for a while.
And let it set, then we'll cut it and bake it later.
See you